Welcome everybody to my page. This is Belix from Belix Designs and Home Solution. Today we're going to be talking about another home hacks. If you have been a fan of mine and you've been watching all of these home hacks that might really help you or somebody else, please do subscribe to my page because that's keep us going. It encourages us to keep putting out some of it out there. We talk about different things, about our homes. So that's what the channel is all about. Today we're gonna be talking about how to remove blood stains. So that's the before and that's the after on the screen. Please follow through to the end, and we're gonna show you how to do this. I'm gonna show you how I've taken blood stains off a sheet, and then and show you how I took that off. What I'm just going to show you now is the sheet I've used. I've used pink and there's blood everywhere. I've dotted that on a reason, left it for 2 days so it can actually stain it a little bit, so I can illustrate how you can remove stuff stains. So once you've got this kind of stains, I'm going to show you how to take that off. You can take that off home easily before you put it in a washing machine, because the washing machine doesn't actually take some of this off if you haven't got a good one. So I will show you the afterwards. There's the before, that's the after cleaning it. So this one, I'm going to show you how I took that off. So what you need to do is to make sure you spread it over, put a cloth underneath, just so you protect it from, staining anything that you're using. So make sure you put something to protect the cleaning once you're doing this. Welcome to Belix Designs, by the way, and Home Solutions, where we show you home hacks, how to clean any stains and make life easy for you without struggling. So today we're going to talk about this cleaning, making life easy for you as always. So I would walk you through this. Please make sure you wear your protective clothing. Always, if you have allergy, you put on gloves and mask. The product we're using today is the all-purpose stain remover from Dornum, number 10. Sometimes some of their products go out of stock quickly, so this one is a good one. It's always in stock in most of the time, so I'll recommend you buying that from Dornum. I will put a link of some of their remover or all stains remover in the links below, so please feel free to go to their website and buy using the links. Always again, wear your protective clothing. So without taking much of your time, I also want you to make sure you read the instructions quite well. I'm going to spray this and leave it for some time. So I'm spreading the product so you guys can see how I'm spreading that. Spray it and leave it, spray that rather and leave it for some time. I would say approximately 10 minutes. I would say that. So wait for 10 minutes, and then you would start seeing how that is doing some work. So make sure you've got your gloves always to before cleaning, and make sure also you read the labels on it, just to make sure that it's actually suitable for the material you're using, because these are home hacks. So anyway, without taking much of your time, we're going to leave that and wait for 10 minutes before using it. So I'll put a timer on and see how the stains have been dissolved after a while, and I'll use that cloth to remove it, the microfiber cloth, just to wipe it over to remove the stains after leaving it for about 10 minutes, so that again the blood is actually being dissolved. So I'll take that and actually just scrub it and take off that easily. That shouldn't take much of your time and make life easy for you. Please scrub. I'm using that just to scrub and take it off and wipe it up. Just scrub it slightly. It doesn't have to be too hard, depending on the timing you've left it. So if you leave it longer, obviously there's less pressure to take it off. So depending how the stain as well has lasted. So the longer the stains, the more so as it coming off while coming off actually. So the longer you keep it, the more difficult it is. So that is really effective. It's coming up beautifully. Look at that. Beautiful. And if some of the stains actually just become really stubborn to take off, always top it up with a spray and leave it a bit longer to take off. So again, whatever works for you, please, use what works for you and make sure that you leave it for a longer period of time. So that is beautiful, actually. Really, really make life easy. You don't want to throw your shit away. And I've used pink. You can see there's no bleach. It doesn't bleach that light pink sheet. So this is actually quite nice because some stain removers do have bleach on them, and this one hasn't got bleach. It might do, but you can't see the color of the cloth actually changing. So there's no bleach on it. As far as I look at the before, see the time, and that's it dissolving, and that's it actually coming off. So isn't that beautiful? Does it not make life easy for you? Let me know what you think on this. So before I actually put this in the washing machine, I'm still gonna put this in the washing machine anyway to wash it, or if you wash by hand, then that's still an option. But I'll put this in the washing machine with a normal washing product, and obviously the time, you'll be saving money because you're not put it on a longer time wash. You can put this even on a quick wash. That should actually just take it off. So I will put this on a quick wash, and then I will show you the afterwards. So look at how beautiful it is after just scrubbing it with a all-purpose cleaner. That actually does some magic on it, which is really, really, really good. That is lovely, and it works quite well. So I would actually just put this in the washing machine, and I'll show you how this will come off. I've put it in a washing machine. I'm just gonna shove it in, and then wash it as usual. You don't have to put any maybe stain remover after doing this again, but if you wanted to, then that's up to you. But for me, I just think just doing that is sufficient enough. That should suffice, and you don't have to actually put more. Just put it on a quick wash, or maybe anything that is about 30 minutes. She actually do the trick and just wash it off and rinse it off, and that should be easy. And I'll probably just walk you through and show you the afterwards. So again, this is how it looks after me just removing out of the washing machine. That actually is beautiful, lovely, everything. Look at the before on the screen. It is actually really nice, and it makes life easy for all the moms out there. You don't have to stress about stuff or put things or waste the clothes, and just shove it in the in the bin or trash, without making an effort. So please, please, please do try these. Let me know how the results are for you. It doesn't bleach. Thank you for watching, and thank you.